Hi everyone, Janice and Donald Jones here from Cycle Here Media.
We hope you all are doing well. We know it certainly hasn't been easy adapting to a new virtual business world from home.
And we've gotten a couple questions from some of you trying to do some videos and how you could do them a little bit better from home.
Yeah, it's really about eliminating distractions for the viewer. So here are 5 simple, quick tips to think about to make a better quality video from that new home office. Tip number 1, consider the lighting. Place yourself somewhere with soft lighting toward your face. Avoid overhead lighting because it can cast unflattering shadows. Windows are a good natural light source. Avoid standing or sitting though in an area with bright lighting in the background, or you will be backlit and your face will be hard to see.
Tip number 2, appropriate non-distracting background. Choose a tidy, non-distracting background with a little bit of depth. Don't sit right up against the wall.
Tip number 3, you want to frame your shot properly. Record in landscape mode, in other words, horizontally, not vertically. This will give you footage that looks good on larger devices and not just your phone screen. Follow the rule of thirds. That means you want to frame yourself in the right or left third of the frame.
Turn on the grid feature of your iPhone to help with this. You just go to Settings, scroll down to Camera, and turn on the grid.
And make sure to use appropriate headroom. That's the amount of distance between the top of your head and the top of the frame. A good rule of thumb is to make sure the top of your head is about 2 fingers or 2 inches from the top of the frame.
Tip number 4, clear audio. Record in a location where outside noise will not disrupt your audio. Try to avoid holding or moving your phone around while filming. Because audio matters so much, a good microphone is the first piece of equipment you should consider.
And number 5, give thought to your on-camera presence. Plan what you're going to say ahead of time. Make sure you practice it, and most importantly, smile.
We hope those tips are helpful. Let us know.
And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.